The brand of this aircon is the code number we want to set. I switch on the power. Okay, now power is on. If you lost your aircon remote control, no worry. You can use this type of universal aircon remote control. This is the universal aircon remote control. Okay, this is the one. Okay, operate by 2 unit AAA battery. Okay, and it comes with this instruction manual. The instruction manual, okay, got a list of the code for the brand of the aircon. So first of all, you have to make sure that what brand of your aircon. The brand of this aircon is Panasonic, so no worry about what is the model. Now come back to this manual. You check that what is the code for this Panasonic. Yeah, Panasonic. The Panasonic code is 660 until 689. And another one is 122 or 902 or 970. Okay, now we try to set the code for this universal remote control. Okay, switch on the power. Okay, then we press and hold the set button. Okay, now you can see here it's blinking. Okay, I show you one more time again. Press and hold this button, the set button. Okay, here is blinking. Now we can set up. Okay, the number is increased. Okay, so we set it, increase the number, come to the code. Okay, now we have the pointer. The code is 660, so we set to 660. Press and hold, you'll go faster. Okay, so now already come up to 658, 659, 660, 661, 662, 663, 664, 665, 666, 667, 668, 669, 670, 671. Yeah, now it's 671. Confirm is the one. So we press this OK button to lock it. Okay, you can see now it's 671. Yeah, it's 671. Okay, now we try to switch off. Yes, it worked. Okay, now I want to confirm. Okay, again, for this code, I switch on the power. Okay, now power is on. And I want to set this, can it manual string or not? Okay. Yeah, you can control it. Okay, now I switch off. Okay, no more power here. Okay, it's off. Bye bye.